Well, friends and followers, the mystery increases. You buy a Paragon from eBay and you get what you get. So this, I don't think, has standard Paragon firmware in it. You can see the ROM has a mask over it, so someone copied a chip. At any rate, it doesn't act like a Paragon, in that I can't seem to enter the frequency into it. It acts like an Omni 6, in that when I push these buttons, it'll change bands like the Omni 6 does. So see how that works? So there are certain points in the band where the phase lock loop works. I'm just wondering if somebody Mickey Moused some firmware in this thing and it doesn't quite agree with the phase lock loop. Oh, it likes to lock there, doesn't it? Seems like the minor loop board's messed up, which in case I can fix that. But it sure acts like an Omni 6 where I can directly enter the band and it just works like that. And I think with the Omni 6, I could enter a frequency like enter and type in like 29 and then enter 29, enter. Well, it didn't like that. Okay, enter. Okay, yeah, it's waiting. 2, 9. I guess I gotta catch it when it's lit up. Yeah. So it sure acts like an Omni 6, and I'll take that. All right, to go back to 40 then, let's see. 160, 80, 40. Yep, look at that. So now it will work partially. Here it's locked. And the darn thing transmits too, which is a relief. KB3W testing, 1, 2, 3. KB3. KB3W testing, 1, 2, 3. KB3W, anyway. It does transmit. KB3W testing. I don't think it'll transmit on AM though. What happens there? Nope, nothing. So I think that was working in Paragon 2. FM transmission. Wow, that works, huh? Well, it's got some positives, doesn't it? Let's see. FM transmission. FM test. FM test. I can't seem to regulate the microphone in FM. Anyway, that seems to work, which is nice. So yeah, this thing is not hopeless. It just needs some work, but it's not a standard Paragon 1. It acts more like an Omni. So if I can fix the phase lock loop problem, if I can't even do that, I think it'll be a good little radio. I sure like it. You can see that I can hear stuff on here decently. I can't remember where the volume is in this thing. Here it is. No, where the heck's the volume? AF. That's it right there. Doesn't have much, does it? Actually, you know what? I wonder if the voltages are right in this thing. It doesn't act right, so Maybe the voltages are whacked out. Do a voltage check on it. Basically works though. Maybe it just had voltage problems. It does lock here and there. There, come on. Locks there. It locks for a moment. Okay, that's my update. The radio is coming back alive. It's a mystery Paragon 1, which is probably an Omni 5 or even a 6, who knows. Thanks for watching. It's cool. Have a great day.